Hi, I'm Johnny from UltimatePaperMache.com, and I am working on my blue-footed boobies. I got a little bit slowed down last week because we had a major storm here in my part of Minnesota, so didn't have any power for about 4 days. So I am working on them, and yes, there's two now. But what I wanted to talk about today is a new workshop that my daughter, Jessie, is putting on this Friday between 10 and 11 a.m. Central Time. It's a Zoom call. It's going to be live. You'll be able to ask her any questions you want to at the end. She's going to do a live demo, and she's also going to give us some explanations right up front about things that really helped me figure out why sometimes when I'm trying to get a particular green, or when I'm trying to get a gray that's as cool as I want it to be, but it just isn't quite working out right. Well, this is the workshop that's going to explain how to do it right, how to mix colors in a way that you actually get the color that you were hoping for. And it does not depend on what kind of paint you're using. It's not going to be like latex like the one that she did for us. It doesn't matter if you're an oil paint or a watercolor. It's just about color itself. It's just, I'm so excited about seeing this. I've already got a sneak peek of it, and I've already learned a whole bunch. So this Friday, on Zoom, it's going to be a live call between 10 and 11 a.m. In order to get onto it, you're going to have to register so that you can get, the link for the Zoom call. There's going to be a link to her website right down below to the page where she explains what the workshop's going to be about and when it's going to be. And there's going to be a button on there that's going to allow you to register for that Zoom call. So be sure and do that right now, because there is a limited number of people. I don't know exactly what the limit Zoom puts on them, but there is a limit to how many people can get on that call, and I don't want you to miss it. I'm going to be there this Friday, May 20th, between 10 and 11 in the morning, Central Time. Go click on that link right now, go register for it, and I'll see you there.